are you doing? I hope you watched the first video of cross multiplication. Now we are on the second stage now. What if you are given more than just one fraction on the other side, in either side of the equation? For example, here I've got 1 over 4 plus maybe x is equals to 16. Alright, something like this. So here, because one thing that you have to acknowledge is every number is over 1. So the x is over 1 and this is over 1 as well. But in this case now we can just take this to that side. Or maybe, because in most cases if you try to take 1/4 to this side, it's possible, but the most important thing is to pay respect to the denominators. So in this case I'm going to pay respect to denominators, and I'm going to say, let me find a common denominator here. A common denominator. So on this, you know that equation, they've got sides. This is the left hand side of the equation and this is the right hand side of the equation. So I'm going to solve taking the left hand side first, and then I'm going to end up having the common denominator is 4. Remember there is 1 here, the common denominator is 4. Then 4 into 4 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, plus 1 into 4 is 4, 4 times x you get 4x, and this is equals to 16 over 1. This is where now we can apply cross multiplication, because we've got one denominator here and one denominator there. So I'm going to extend the calculation to the other side of the board, and we end up having 4 times 16, and 1 will not change anything, it multiplies here. So we end up having 1 plus 4x is equals to 16 times 4. Okay, this is what we are going to get. So I hope you can see from there clearly that the 1 plus 4x was not affected much. Why? Because 1 plus 4x is being multiplied by 1. Alright, so let's look at the calculation now on the right hand side of the equation. We have got 16 multiplied by 4, and we all know that 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. So we're going to write 64 here. This is equals to 64, and this remains now 1 plus 4x, nothing changes here. The rules of the equation says we have to transfer like terms on one side of the equation. So I'm taking 1 this side, but it's going to change the sign. Okay, so we have 4x is equals to 64 minus 1, which will give you 63, and this is 4x. You divide by 4, you divide by 4. Okay, so now we know the rules that 63 now can now be divided by 4. How many times do 63 goes into 4? In most cases you are allowed to use even a calculator if you have one, but it's very simple to just calculate 64 divided by 4. What is 64 divided by 4? And you get 16, but this time it's 63 now, so it means this number that we're talking about is less than 4. So 63 divided by 4, which is 15 3/4. Okay, so we have got 15 3/4. This is the answer. You can reduce this now to 15 3/4. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you understood the concept here.